Hello and welcome to MB Tool Reviews. Today on the show we're looking at the Knipex VDE 1000 volt installation pliers, product number 1396200. As you can see, these are in a long nose style of plier. They feature a set of cable shears which are extremely good. Apparently, according to manufacturer's specifications, they can cut up to 15mm copper cable. They also feature this 0.75 to 1.5mm cable stripper and a 2.5mm cable stripper, which are pretty decent. Let's have a quick look at them. And they're pretty good. It also features a set of crimps on there, which can do between 0.5 and 2.5mm crimps. I think it's for ferrules specifically. I personally not a huge fan of these, but I suppose if you're in a pinch, you could use them for crimping a conductor. You know, if you had a couple to do and you didn't want to get out a dedicated set of crimps. Let's have a quick look. They do an alright job, but they flatten the cable out, which I don't like. As I said, the shears are pretty good. Nice and strong. A good clean cut. Currently, these are retailing at around £50 on Amazon. Lastly, they have this safety catch on them here to protect your fingers from the shears when they're open or when they're in your tool bag. Anyway, that's all for today. Thank you very much for watching the video, and if you would like to know anything else about these tools or any other tools, please leave a comment down below. Thank you again for watching the video, and remember to like and subscribe for more tool reviews.